Hey, today I wanted to show you how to make some quick and easy chicken egg rolls. All right, so first what I used is 4 chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast, you can use a rotisserie chicken if you have, but I like the taste of thighs, so I use thighs. I do keep my fat on my thighs because I do not mind a little fat on them, but you can clean off the excess fat when you are cleaning your chicken. All right. And then for seasonings, you can see I just used what I generally like to use on my chicken. You can use less or more depending on what you like, but these are the things that I do like when I am making chicken. And then what you're going to do is just mix it up so that the seasoning gets all around it. And for this, you can just season your chicken on a regular. You can just season it like that and you would have good tasting chicken. All right, but anyway, so once you season it good, then you'll just take a pan or a pot like I did here and coat the bottom with oil. You can use olive oil, you can use vegetable oil, you can use whatever you choose, but I do like to use olive oil when I am cooking. All right, so then you just lay your chicken out and you're just gonna cook it down till it's done. Basically, that's it. So I cook it here. I flip it occasionally just so that it cooks evenly on each side. And you're just going to want to get it as tender as you can. That's where you're leaving the top on to make it easier to shred when you're done. When the chicken is cooked all the way through, you're going to take the top off to let all the excess moisture come out, and then you'll take it out and you will shred it apart, and you just keep shredding and shredding and shredding until you can get the pieces as small as you can. And then you'll come in. I used 1/3 cup of hot sauce. You can use more depending on how you feel. I used 1 pack of shredded mozzarella. That's about 8 ounces. And then I used a couple of splashes of Tabasco sauce. You don't have to do that part, but like I said, depending on how spicy you want it or don't want it, depending on how much you would put in. And then I used about 2 big tablespoons of cream cheese. You can choose not to use the cream cheese if you want, but I do like it the way it mixes when you do it with the cream cheese. So then you'll mix all that up. I'm taking half of it and putting it aside because not everyone in my house eats peppers and onions and things like that. So for them, I put that aside. All right, I used the chopped green onions. I use freeze-dried ones because they're good to keep on hand so that you can have them when you need them. And then I used some chopped green peppers. So that's it for that part. And then you just mix it up. And then you're going to get your egg roll wraps. Only ones they had left at the market were vegan. So those are the ones that we used. They're good whether they are vegan or not vegan. Doesn't really make a big difference. You're going to take a dab of the meat mixture and then you're going to wet the sides of the egg rolls because you want them to stick together when you fold it. And then you're going to do an egg white wash to coat them on the outside once you have folded it up. My folding is not the best here, but it still tasted just the same. All right, and then you're just going to keep doing that. For this recipe, for the ingredients that I used, it made about 20 because there was 20 in the pack. So it made the complete pack of the rolls. So this feeds quite a bit of people. Even though they don't look that big, they were filling. So this feeds a lot of people. There are about 4 of us that I made this for, but it could feed more. All right, so then you're just going to brown them on each side. And you cook it for like 3 to 4 minutes because everything else is basically done in the inside. You're just really browning the outside. And then you're going to take them out. You can put them on a cooling rack or you could put them on paper towels like I did here. And then that's it. And then you're going to make a sauce to put them in. For us, we just used blue cheese and some sour cream. But you could get a little fancy and make a fancier sauce. But that was good for us. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a big old thumbs up if you did and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.